Good morning, students. Okay, take out your marigold. Take out your marigold, page number 43. Take out your marigold, page number 43. So today we are going to start a new chapter, Unit 5. Unit 5, a new chapter, okay? And this is a poem. This is a poem, The Balloon Man, okay? The Balloon Man. So first of all, students, tell me, have you seen a balloon man in your marketplace? Yes or no? Of course, yes, na? A balloon man visit your market? And especially in festive seasons, na? So okay, let's see what this balloon man brings with him. Okay. So this poem is related to a balloon man. The balloon man. He always come on market days. So he always comes when the market was very crowded. He holds balloons, a lovely bunch. So he holds number of balloons. Bunch means number of balloons. And in the market square he stays. So where he stays? In the market square. So what is square? A four-sided open area in the market. An open area which is four-sided, okay, in the market. And there he stays always. And never seems to think of lunch. And he is so busy in his works that he never thinks of his lunch. They are red and purple, blue and green. So balloons are very lovely and different in colors, na? And they are in which colors? Red, purple, blue and green. And when it is a sunny day, and when it is full of light, full of sunlight, the days when the day is full of light, the cars and people get between and you see them shining far away, and the area will be very crowded, okay? And some are big and some are small. Some balloons are big and some balloons are small, all tied together with a string. So you know na that a balloon is tied with a string. And if there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. And if the wind will be there, and if the wind is there, they fly high in the sky. Someday perhaps he will let them go, and we shall see them sailing high. So the girl, the children, the boy and girls like you wishes that they wish that someday may the balloon man let all their balloons go high in the sky, and they shall see them sailing high and stand and watch them from below, and then they will stand and watch them from below, high in the sky. And how amazing it will look, na? Just imagine all the colorful balloons in the sky, high sky. They would look pretty in the sky. You love to see, na? You love to see the colorful balloons in the sky. and they looks very pretty, na? So the children like you, the boys and girls like you, they all are waiting. So one day it will come, that the balloon man will let all the balloons go high in the sky, and all the children just enjoyed. They will enjoy. Okay. So we get some new words now. Rose Flyman is the poet here, and we get the new words now. Bunch. So write down with pencil what is the meaning of bunch. The number of balloons now. Then square. So what is the meaning of square? An open area with four sided. Then sunny. Sunny means bright with sunlight. A day with full of sunlight. Tug means pull something. Tug means pull, P-U-L-L, pull something. Square means an open area with four sided in the marketplace. Okay. Okay. An open area with four sided. So what we have seen in the poem, that a balloon man stands regularly. Where he stands? In the marketplace. Okay. And what he holds? Balloons, a bunch of balloons. And with the different colors now. Which are the colors? Red, purple, blue and green. What happens to the balloons when there is a wind? The balloons fly, or the balloons go very high in the sky. What does the child like to see the balloon man do? What does the children wish? That one day the balloon man will let all the balloons go high in the sky, and they will enjoy. All the children will enjoy from below, na? Tug means pull something. Pull, P-U-L-L, pull something, okay? Tug means pull something. So students, have you any doubt regarding this poem? I am giving you 5 minutes, okay? So just see carefully the whole poem, and then if you have any doubt, then you may ask through the chat box. If you have any confusion regarding any word, then you may ask. students, once again I am repeating, what is the meaning of bunch? Number of balloons, square and open area with four sided in the marketplace. Okay, an open area with four sided. Sunny, what is the meaning of sunny? Bright sunlight. And what is the meaning of tug? Yes, pull something. So students, we have completed the poem The Balloon Man. So how is the poem? Good, na? You can relate the poem with yourself, na? You have also seen the balloon man in your marketplace, especially in festival seasons, na? Okay. So we have completed the poem, and in the next video we will discuss the question answers and exercises. Okay, in the next video we will discuss the question answers and all the exercises. So for the next video, be ready with your notebook and pencil. Okay, for the next video, be ready with your notebook and pencil. So because in the next video we will discuss the question answers and all the exercises of this poem. Have you any doubt regarding the poem? No. No any doubt? Yes, I will give this class on YouTube, okay? Okay, students? Bye-bye. Bye.